is definitely affected because if the car is out of specs, it won't drive properly. Like, um, you got the lane departure warnings, you got even auto cruise, and so on.
Your
So
side detection.
side detection. So all those, if they're not put back properly or calibrated properly, it's the car is not gonna run properly.
So what happens when repairs are done without the understanding of the full system?
You're gonna run into problems. Yeah,
Nightmare.
you're
Right.
gonna run into problems. Um, the right shop will know what to do
Right.
with the car, and it'll know what sensors are there and the steps to take to make sure you don't damage something.
So it's one thing to make the car look good, but it's quite another to have it run properly again
Right.
after
Exactly.
after a collision.
Yeah. Exactly. Like our work is not done till the car is 100%. Like we can reassemble it after the um, after the paint, but before it reaches the customer, we got to make sure there's nothing on the dash. We got to make sure we go for a test drive, make sure nothing pops up down the road,
Hmm.
and yeah. So it's not just fix a dent, paint it, assemble it, and get it out. That's it. It's not
So
like that.
in my industry, the general auto repair, we see the aftermath of lots of shortcuts and do-it-yourselfers. Google's a wonderful thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everybody's a Google mechanic
YouTube,
now.
Google,
YouTube, like
AI.
and they're watching YouTube right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's a wonderful thing. Oh, look at how easy this is. This is so simple. And then the car gets towed into us because guess what? It's not as simple as it seemed, or they weren't specific in their video and they over torqued it and they did more damage. I assume that you must see that in your industry as well?
Yeah, I mean, we will see it two ways. Like if something, if mostly with color mismatches, like if a customer brought it to a shop or bought a car that has been fixed,
Right.
and they notice that the color is off, we will see that. We'll see that in peeling, delamination of previous repairs. Also misalignment of bumpers, stuff like that. So yeah, we do see it. Like sometimes we get the odd customer, hey, I fixed this car somewhere and they did a crappy job. Can you
Right.
fix it for me?
Right.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, that's,
Yeah.
is there still a lot of curb siding happening?
Curb, like backyard mechanics.
Exactly. Like they get cars that are wrecked and they fix them up and they flip them
Yeah, like
as
in auto-
is.
Yeah,
Or they sell them as
Yeah.
is. And then people think that they're getting a deal like on Facebook Marketplace. And lo and behold, no, this car has been branded.
yeah.
Right. And
That's-
can we talk a little bit about that, about branding? Do you know much about
Yeah,
how that works?
Yeah, I know how that works.
Okay,
I
so-
mean,
Because we want people to understand when you're looking at a deal on Facebook Marketplace or Auto Trader where the vehicle's being sold as is, there's probably a reason why that vehicle's being sold as is.
yeah.
Because they're not wanting to tell you what the issue is or the vehicle has an issue.
Yeah, like in terms in relation to like body work and collision work. I mean, when you're buying a car, most cars, like when you purchase, you're gonna buy a Carfax. So make sure you get a Carfax.
Right.
If if there was an accident, it'll be reported on the Carfax report um, through the insurance company, and you'll know where the accident was. So you'll know where to look if the previous repair was up to standards or not,
Mhm.
right?